Hi, Coach. My name is Olivia, and today I will teach you how to navigate your coaching logs in Coach Vantage. From your dashboard, to access your coaching logs, click Coaching Logs on the left-hand side of your screen. The Coaching Logs feature makes it easy for you to automatically capture both paid and pro bono sessions of your coaching hours. To learn more about this feature, please refer to the article titled How to Enable Automatic Logging of Coaching Sessions. Here we are on the Coaching Logs page. Let's review the different elements that are here. First, we have the search bar. This is where you can search for a specific client in your coaching log table. You can also enter their name or email address in this search bar. Next, you can view your coaching log data according to a date range by selecting the desired start and end date. You also have your total coaching hours here. Your total paid and pro bono coaching hours are automatically calculated and displayed. Please note that this information is also displayed on your dashboard account snapshot at the bottom of your dashboard here. In this table, you can also see the first name and last name of your coaching client, their email address, the start and end date of a coaching session, and lastly, the number of paid hours and pro bono hours. In this case, the start date displays the first session that you had with that particular client, and the end date shows the most recent session that you've had with them. And lastly, you will notice that you can export your coaching log data to a CSV file. This will allow you to export your data to your PC or local drive. And that concludes our video on the coaching logs overview. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Happy coaching!